Steve, thanks for your time today. Now, I see that you're using Cromar Swarf Management Systems on most of your machines in this fantastic facility. What are the reasons behind this?
Cromar offers reliability. With our lights out manufacturing cells, we need to be sure nothing's going to stop that from working throughout the night.
And can you give me a perfect example of this? In what way would it stop the machine if you didn't have Cromar or a reliable system?
Well, Cromar have got all the filtration systems for the coolant on their conveyors. They're also very reliable to keep going.
And in regards to the machine tools, now you've invested in the latest technology and you're producing swarf a lot quicker. Does it handle that extra swarf, if you like?
It does handle the capacity of it, yeah. We don't want to build up in the machine, slowing anything down or even interfering with the machining process.
And in regards to the high coolant pressure system, how does this come into play? Is your cutting strategies changed due to this? Are you being able to run at faster feeds and speeds?
You are. You also get a wider product range now that you've got that high pressure programmable coolant. It gives you access to tools that we couldn't just use before.
And obviously you've touched on reliability, but what about the longevity of the products? Do they last the test of time?
They do, and it's a good service package with them. They're always easily callable. The engineers will talk you through any problems, or they'll be on site straight away to help you sort out anything you can't do.